Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Mr. Cooper account. Go ahead and open Google on your Chrome or Edge browser and then search for Mr. Cooper in the search bar. Now click on the first link which appears on your screen. You can see that this is the official link or the official page of Mr. Cooper. So go ahead and click on the first link and it will lead you to this page. You can see on the top right hand side there is a sign in option. Click on sign in and you will be headed to the login portal. Now what you need to do is fill in your username and password. So go ahead and fill your username of Mr. Cooper and write down your password. Then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Mr. Cooper account. In case you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links you want to go through to change your username or to retrieve back your password. Now if you don't have an online account yet, go ahead and click this link and you can create a Mr. Cooper account for yourself. I hope this video about how you can log into your Mr. Cooper account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.